Kaya po ng yung anak ay naging membro ng bagong foundation na Bagong Sinag.
Papasalamat na lang po ako sa inyo sa maraming pong naitulong na po sa amin. At sa bago pong programang ito, marami po kayong natutulungan na tulad po namin sa Paniki North Elementary School. Yan lang po.
Sa financial na pangangailangan, nagbibigay po sila kahit pa paano ay nakakatulong po. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you po, Nanay. Ngayon po tayo ay tutungo sa ina ng...
More resilience, more strength, and you always have to have hope that there are people around like Bagong Sinag who will always help their children. Like say with the blind, the deaf, and the mute, there is a need to address their disabilities. Yeah, with extra help, that will always be a good thing for them.
Thank you po, Mayora. Bigyan natin ng isang yes clap si Mayor.
Tablang Elementary School, especially the Tablang teaching and staff. In behalf of our school head, Mr. Darius Untulan, we are very thankful that you have this kind of program. What do you call this? Yung pong kanilang taos-pusong pagtulong sa mga bata, sa mga kabataan na mayroon pong special needs. We all know that these children really need more care, love, and they need everything from their parents. Maraming salamat.